Hey guys, my name is Alex. Most of the cars could be locked by key fob or keyless entry while they are running, but not a Range Rover. Sometimes we need to make a quick stop, run out of vehicle, but we have family members in the car or a pet, or you can have like dead battery as I had a couple of weeks ago. So I'll show you how to close your car while it's running. All you need to do, roll down the window, press lock button, keep the key fob with you, don't forget it in the car, and roll up the window. Do not forget your key in the car, because if you forgot, you wouldn't be able to open it. Keep your key with you. That's it. I hope this information was helpful for you. Subscribe for more Range Rover tips. Push like button, it really helps, and have a good day. Bye.